Work your
Plus,
way up means what, Philip?
it means to work yourself into advancement, kind of to move up in status. You work towards the goal of moving yourself up in status. So
That,
work your way up means improving your position.
oh, improve.
So in this context here, it means work your way towards longer periods of meditation.
Oh,
So start off small and practice until you can do more and more meditation.
mm.
Work your way up, you know?
Can you give me another sentence with work?
Yes. Yes. When I was a child,
Mm.
I would practice holding my breath underwater.
Breath. Oh,
Breath,
oh,
breath,
underwater.
holding my breath underwater. In the beginning, I was able to hold my breath for 30 to 40 seconds,
Mm.
but it took me many weeks to work my way up to 2 minutes. But eventually I got there.
Oh, means to make a progress.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
To make progress, to do it better, or
oh,
to do it for longer periods of time.
don't give up. Just work your way up, and then you will finally get there.
No, it won't be used like that. That's you can use it there, but uh just start off with doing 10 push-ups and work your way up to 20. Don't just start doing 20 because d- doing less if you do too many, you're going to lose the proper form.
Proper form. Oh,
Yes.
proper form.
Yes, so do the warrior for 20 seconds and work your way up to 1 minute because if you try to do too much in the beginning, then you'll lose the proper form.
Work your way up. Li-
Yeah.
Make a little by little. Make a progress little by little.
Yes. Yes. Yes, like work towards improving and making progress. So
Oh,
kind of in the beginning you're going to start off small,
oh,
but with practice you're going to progress. You're going to
oh,
work your way up to more time.
oh, oh. Like I studied English for 10 days in at the beginning, and I worked my way up, and finally I started English for 1 hour per day.
Yeah, exactly. You worked your way up to 1 hour of English every day.
Oh, to 1 hour English 1 hour per day.
Yeah, good.